Reminders of Him is a heart-wrenching and beautifully written novel by best-selling author Colleen Hoover. The story revolves around Lily, a young woman who has just lost her husband in a tragic accident and is struggling to come to terms with her loss. As she tries to pick up the pieces of her broken life, Lily meets Ryle, a successful young lawyer who is dealing with his own emotional scars. The characters in Reminders of Him are richly drawn and multi-dimensional, making them both relatable and realistic. Hoover's writing style is straightforward yet powerful, capturing the essence of Lily and Ryle's emotional journeys. The story is interwoven with themes of love, loss, healing, and the power of friendship, making it a truly moving and thought-provoking read. One of the standout features of Reminders of Him is its ability to tackle heavy themes while still maintaining a sense of hope and positivity. Hoover's writing style is both sensitive and uplifting, making this novel a great choice for readers who enjoy contemporary romance novels with a touch of emotional depth. Another aspect of the novel that sets it apart is its focus on the importance of family and friends in times of need. Lily and Ryle's relationships with their loved ones play a significant role in their emotional journeys, and the support they receive from their families and friends is a testament to the power of human connection. Overall, Reminders of Him is a well-crafted, emotionally impactful novel that will stay with you long after you've finished reading. Whether you're a fan of Colleen Hoover's work or are simply looking for a touching, thought-provoking romance novel, this book is definitely worth checking out. Pluses: 1. Heart-wrenching and beautifully written. 2. Richly drawn and multi-dimensional characters. 3. Straightforward yet powerful writing style. 4. Interwoven with themes of love, loss, healing, and the power of friendship. 5. Maintains a sense of hope and positivity while tackling heavy themes. 6. Focus on the importance of family and friends in times of need. 7. Emotionally impactful and thought-provoking. Minuses: 1. May not be suitable for readers who prefer light, fluffy romance novels. 2. The themes of grief and loss may be too heavy for some readers. Grab it now only at https://amzn.to/3jlyoct